Hello everyone, my name is Sunaina Khandelwal and I'm a multimedia artist who has graduated with a Masters in Fine Art from the University of the Arts London back in the UK. As part of my artistic practice, I create my own colours from natural materials such as sand, clay, rocks and anything I can find from the natural environment. I usually do this since I strongly believe that the landscape can connect us to a greater cultural heritage. I have also exhibited my work extensively, both locally and internationally. I am also an aspiring museum curator cum researcher based in Toronto. I am currently taking part in many collaborative projects where I work and volunteer with art organizations and independent curators to organize artist interviews, exhibitions, and publications. All of this material then comes together in the end to create educational platforms for creative communication. My goal is to contribute to Orfe's mission by utilizing my creative skills and extensive knowledge about environmental art. I am passionate about building together a community of creatives from all over the world where we can come together, collaborate, and learn how to value our environment. Let's grow together, and I really hope to see some of you guys in our future lessons.